Okay, as I wrap up the perimeter of the closure, adding the tracks onto it, I'm going to show you guys how I take the excess dome cap from under the closure so you can get that natural look. Um, Give me 1 second. This is not the best view to show you guys how to cut this. I couldn't get it on camera correctly, but you get the picture. Cut the dome cap, go right under the closure and cut the dome cap. See, now you can see the closure and the lace from the closure. It's real simple. Just follow the lines. Make sure not to cut the thread when you are doing this. It's styling time, baby. It's time to style this thing on up. Do 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 do. The stylist, I'm using my Ion curling iron. The flap on my curling iron is detachable, but the way that I'm gonna curl is it's gonna be almost like a wine curl to get the big beach curl waves. I'm gonna start from the bottom, work my way on up, and it's real simple. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my bottom row and then work the way up and show you guys how I pull the curls loose and do my comb out. Okay, so now I'm gonna just pop the curls loose, add a little spray, and a little shine to the curls. Oh, it's so pretty. Gonna be so flowing. My client did not want tight curls. She wanted like a wavy look, so that's the reason why I'm taking the curls out so fast and combing it back out. It's almost time for starting, baby. I'm just basically prepping the hair for before I install this wig onto my client. So I'm not going to do too much to it right now besides just comb out the curls so it won't be as tight. This is basically what I'm going to do, and the most I'm going to do. This is the complete product, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Everything that you need to know will be in the description box. And thanks for watching, guys. Mwah.